Hi, my name's John J. Hurley. I'm right on our Group 12 County Court. Some of you may know me because you saw my name in today's paper. You saw my name in yesterday's paper. You see me on the news quite often. I'm the judge that you see on the TV when there's a split screen. I am a criminal court judge here in Broward County. Almost everyone who gets arrested in Broward County has to come to see me for me to determine whether or not their arrest was lawful, probable cause, whether or not I need to hold them because they represent such a danger to the community that I don't believe they're safe to the community to go back out on the street. I'm the one who makes that call every day in Broward County. There's only one person who does that, and you are looking at them. That's why you see me on TV, because when there's a famous arrest or newsworthy case, the news cameras are in my court because it's a fresh arrest that day or the next day. Now, I have, before becoming a judge, I served in the United States Navy. And I hear people talk about guns. I only shot a rifle one day and a handgun the next, and I can tell you I was not a very good shot. So I don't think they'd ever want me to control anything that had anything to do with firepower. But I was an aviation intelligence officer, and I'm decorated for my service in the United States Navy. I was fortunate enough to become a judge, and I've helped save millions of dollars for the taxpayers of Broward County because I found out we had about 1,000 people in our jails when I started who do not belong in the jail. They were either homeless, they'd stolen a sandwich from the store or a beer from the market. They would sit in jail for 3 or 4 months. They couldn't make a $25 bond. So what I did was I got them out. We went to a homeless shelter, a halfway house. You went to work, you got a job, whatever, get out of our jail. It's $115 a day to house someone. I got him out of the jail. It saved $10 million in the last year.
Question? Yes, Carolyn.
How do you decide when to release? We had a drug dealer was arrested from our street. He's back the next day.
Okay. I have to tell you, that probably I'm going to blame that on the weekend magistrate because I haven't Monday through Friday.
It was the weekend. You're right.
You're right. I'm kind of the tough nut in there. If you can ask Jaroslav back here in the back, who's an assistant state attorney, and he'll tell you that I'm one tough nut. But anybody else have a question for me?
States' rights.
States' rights. I believe in states' rights. I'd have to go on to a 10-minute discussion on it or more, but I do believe that probably our federal government has commandeered us, and we need to bring it back home.
Yep.
So,
okay. 20-minute wrap up.
You know what? I don't think that. Let me see. Well, that's tough. From what I understand, all they have done is copied the federal law, and the federal government's not willing to enforce it. So.
Yeah.
I'll leave it at that. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Would you arrest a child that was selling drugs if their parent was a judge?
Yes.
The law applies to everyone equally. It makes no difference whether they're related to someone or everybody's equal in the eyes of the law.
15-second wrap up. 15 seconds. No more questions.
I would date her if I was single. Yes, sir.
We have a 20-minute wrap up.
Okay. Look, John J. Hurley, County Court, Group 12, born and raised right here, Cardinal Gibbons High School, born in Broward General, grew up in the neighborhood next to here. I rode my bike here when it was Marco's Pizza 30 years ago. You want me as the gatekeeper for the jail. The Miami Herald endorsed me, and they said Judge Hurley's a gatekeeper for the jail, and Judge Hurley has helped to save millions for the taxpayers of Broward County, and they said that I should stay as your judge, and I'm asking you to keep me as your judge.
Thank you.